Set yourself up for success. Today's day 1, January 1st, 2024. This is our year. Here we go. Good morning, you guys. Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. I woke up so chipper this morning. It is a brand new year, a fresh start. So many of us were longing for this day, and it's here. I'm excited. I am in the mindset. I'm continuing with the mindset, but I have set forth some new goals for myself. I posted in our Facebook group last night, so if you aren't part of it, look in the description box. You'll see my Instagram page and my Facebook page. It's a group. We have, I think there's about 36,000 members in there. And some people aren't on Optavia. Some people are on Weight Watchers. Some people are on other things. Doesn't matter. We're all there to support, give advice, help each other through our journey. It's just a great place to be, and I am so proud of it. It's been on Facebook now for a few years, at least since 2019. So we've been through quite a bit, all of us. It's New Year's. I'm sitting here on my couch. Here's my bathrobe. For my first fueling of 2024, I have a brownie in my coffee, which I already drank. It is late. It's 10 in the morning, and I slept like a log. We had a blast last night. I thought that I was going to fall asleep before midnight, but I was wired. I was ready to go. Last week was a pretty tough work week, so my fatigue was definitely noticeable yesterday, but Jess really took hold. He cleaned the house for me. He vacuumed, he organized. We took down the Christmas tree and all of the decor, so he let me kind of just veg out. It was really nice. Right now, I'm watching my favorite genre of movies, if you don't know, is like a thriller, horror type movie. I just found a movie on Tubi called Door in the Woods. Apparently a family finds this door and they decide to take it home and use it on their home. And apparently it unleashes a whole menagerie of things. The sun is out, so we are thinking of perhaps going on a hike today, doing some fun things, and I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. Day 1. I'm considering this day 1, and you know I've been doing this for the last few weeks. I have my calendar and my stars ready to go. If you don't know what that is, I'll show you later when I go make some other fuelings. But I have a calendar and I have stars, like little gold stars from when you were a kid. And each day that I am on plan, I am going to put a star on that day. And at the end of this month, I know and I expect the whole page to be a shiny, foiled, starred, beautiful thing. It's just a reward system for myself. It's exciting when I come down each morning and I know I did well the night before and I put that gold star on there. Fabulous. I got it at Walmart. It's a great way to keep yourself accountable, and I literally have it by my coffee pot because that's usually the first thing I do. I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I come downstairs and I make my coffee, and I usually put something in it. You all know, hot chocolate. Since I'm out of it, I'm throwing in a few brownies every morning, and I am like really running low, guys. And I want to do this right. So that's kind of it. But the reward system, for whatever reason, it excites me in the morning to put that star on there. So if that's something that you think would work for you, do it. Set yourself up for success. Today's day 1, January 1st, 2024. This is our year. Here we go. All right, you guys, time for lean and green. This is 7 ounces of cooked 99% lean ground turkey. That's one leanest. I have 3 servings of fresh romaine hearts, and I have 3 ounces of avocado for the healthy fat. So here is lean and green. I'm mixing it all up. I'm going to go sit down, eat this, and I will see you back for the next fueling. But this will keep me satisfied for several hours. And here we go. It's a few hours later. I took a chocolate chip cookie and I put some cold brew coffee in here with some ice. And I made myself a chocolate chip cookie shake. And the first straw test of the year, guys. If you've been following me a while, you know about my straw test. I love when the shakes are so thick that you could put the straw in there. And it stands up on its own. So this is going to be the next fueling and another one to keep me satisfied because it's voluminous. It's volume. All right, see you at the next fueling. You guys believe that we have been cleaning the house the whole day. I like a fresh house. I've been dusting, just mopped the floors, got this side of the living room all done, my candle, my plant, my family picture, everything on the cabinet. I'll show you that. So you guys know this part of our living room. It has this cabinet here. Question though, because I don't know if I like the plant. This is a plant from our old house. What do you guys think? Let me know. Here's the big picture that we have. I don't know. I think it looks fake. I don't like it. Doesn't the kitchen window look bare? I don't know. It's like after having that wreath up there, I don't know. It's just so weird. It's just so weird when everything is cleaned. Anyway, I am going to get, this is our comforter. I washed it today. Oh, if you guys could smell it. I put in 2 of these. These are the Gain dryer sheets, which I love. And oh, our blanket smells so good. I have our sheets in here that I got to transfer into the dryer. And down here, there is this thing. And I think I have to, if I'm not mistaken, I have to drain this out. If any of you know the secret to this, I will forever be grateful. Anyway, all right, let me get the laundry out. Let me take care of this. Jess is upstairs vacuuming our room. Get this into the dryer. Wearing my shorts. Here we go. Laundry time. I apologize. I just got a call with a new live-in client, so I have to go do a quick assessment. It's 8:30. I'm a little behind on my eating, so as soon as I can get recording for you, I will. I'm just driving and it's nighttime, so let me go. I'll see you in a little bit. Hey, you guys. It is 11 o'clock at night. Why is my car not driving? It's 11 o'clock at night and I just left and I am obviously way late with my eating, so I am gonna crack open a mint bar. It's the best thing. Hold on, guys, my nav's talking.
Onto US 46 westbound.
So, like I was saying, this is why Optavia for me is the perfect scenario. You see, I am on the road so often I can't eat. I have no time. So I'm heading home now. I'm gonna eat this and I can't remember if I have another meal or not. Honestly, can't remember. I know I grabbed a bar on the way out earlier, so I think this might be my last one.
Keep left.
So I'll see you when I get home. All right, so I've been home for a little while, working on my computer, putting in all my notes. You know what? It's 12:30 in the morning. It's actually day 2. Oh my God, my hair. I need to go take a shower and relax because here's all my notes. I have a full day tomorrow. I got to go back to this independent living place. I got to meet with it's actually 2 new live-ins. It's a husband and a wife. And then I have the other client that I have to go see. So I did finish my day out a lot later than I would have wanted to, but it is what it is. And another reason why Optavia will work if you're a very busy person on the go. You just grab it and eat it. I mean, I couldn't ask for more. Regardless, it was an amazing day one, January 1st, 2024. I feel really good too. Oh, actually, I forgot to show you this. Like, we're going now at 12:30 in the morning because I get to put my gold star on the calendar. So we're going to do it. So, oh my God, Petunia's sleeping. Okay, hold on, guys. Oh, let me spin you around. We're doing the gold star. Then I'm going to shower, clean up, put pajamas on, go to bed just in time to wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Oh, here we go. Let's do the star. All righty. Here's my calendar. And January 1st was technically yesterday, so I was 100% perfect. So we're going to do... This isn't a gold star, it's a green star, but doesn't matter what color it is. But boom! Day one! There it is. Keep doing what you're doing. Stay focused. Stay with me. We're doing it together. I'm going to end this by saying to you, we can do this. Yes, we can. No, I'm going to change it. We can do it. And we are. Because we're doing it together. 2024 is our year. I love you all. Stay focused. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye, guys.